Well, here's the bell on my front door. Very easy to install. You just put a screw in the top and a screw in the bottom. You slide this in. Whoops, I pressed the button. Shouldn't have done that. And underneath there is a screw that you put in, which I will be doing again later, to keep these two pieces together so someone else can't pull it out and walk away with it. But that's it. You've got 3 screws and you're installed. I'm going to go inside and have my son ring the doorbell and answer it on my phone so you can see how that goes, and I'll also show you the bell itself. Okay, so my son is going to go out and press the doorbell, and you'll see how my phone reacts. Okay, so there's red, green. Hey, Jojo.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye-bye.
It's a bit dark, but I've got the phone plugged in this corner here. Okay, Jojo, ring the bell. So you hear that's the tone of the bell. And my phone popped up for me to answer, which I'm not going to do.